Hi, I'm Tom Lu from Texas. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Walther PPQ 45 semi-automatic pistol. Walther PPQ 45 are manufactured by the Walther company in Germany. German firearms are the masterpiece of engineering in the history of mankind. They are the most well-crafted weapon the world has ever seen, designed by the most dedicated and brilliant minds. They were once used by the most feared army of an evil empire, an enduring legend, but still highly respected by the military experts and armed professionals alike throughout the world. The Walther firearms are the epitome of such a legend, a cultural heritage of Germany, and symbolizes perfection, pride, and prestige. The Walther company has been around for 130 years. It was founded by 20-year-old Carl Walther in 1886. The company initially made sporting rifles and hunting rifles. When John Browning developed his first semi-automatic pistol in early 20th century, it inspired Carl Walther to develop one of his own. When the Second World War broke out, Walther company quickly became a part of German war machine. The Walther P38 was chosen to replace Luger pistol as a sidearm of German army. At the end of the war, Hitler killed himself with the Walther PPK. After the war, the Walther factory was demolished by Soviet army, and the Walther family fled to West Germany under the protection of the US government, and they continued the production of firearms throughout the 20th century. They developed a series of pistols starting with the letter P, which stands for police pistol. In 1996, they developed the P99, which was adopted by German police. In 2012, the Walther company introduced the Walther PPQ, which chambers 9mm cartridges. Walther PPQ evolved from P99 with the best features of P99. In 2015, they introduced the PPQ 45, which chambers 45 ACP. This is a full-sized Walther PPQ 45 in a box. It's 7.4 inches long and 8.5 inches high, and the barrel length is 4.25 inches. The weight is 28 ounces. It chambers 12 rounds of 45 ACP cartridges. Most 45 ACP pistols hold no more than 10 rounds. I'm very impressed they managed to squeeze 12 rounds of 45 ACP in this gun without increasing the size of the grip from 9mm. One of the best features of Walther PPQ is its ergonomics. The texture of the grip, the size, and its shape can accommodate any users. Now let's check this gun to make sure the gun is empty. The second best feature of this gun is its trigger pull. The trigger pull is only 5.6 pounds. It's extremely light, and the travel distance of the trigger pull is extremely short, only 10mm. Sometimes when I fire this gun, it feels like the gun goes off even before I'm ready. In my opinion, because of the trigger pull being so light and so short, it shouldn't be carried with a round in the chamber by someone who is less trained in firearms. Now let me take this gun to the range to shoot to see how it performs. The Walther firearms have impeccable track record. The Walther company favors flexibility over uniformity. Their philosophy is a gun should conform the need of the user rather than the user adapts to the gun. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. God bless the Second Amendment. God bless the United States of America.